One of the first things that we have done is we have identified some generators, and we're going to make those generators available we're going to start with 50 in the most impacted and remote communities. We will loan them the generators.
Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, look here there a minute. Andrew, you get generators were donated to you from overseas for the Jamaican people to help them. Yeah, tell the people them say, yeah, lend them the generators. They are alone. Until they catch themselves, you're going to need them back. Andrew, you're not buy the generator them out of your pocket. You get them for donate to the Jamaican people. You behave like you buy them. You not buy them. Stop focus on the wrong things. You worry about generator. And I tell the people them say if you secure a generator. When they have to secure a generator, half of the people they not live nowhere. Them not live nowhere. But you are worried about generator and to secure them. And the people their life you need to secure. Make them have somewhere to live. And stop worry about the wrong things. A fuckery I worry about. The next thing will bother me again, the fact that you give out to each constituency $10 million. Andrew, a whole heap of Jamaican people have them good house. Their roof alone are 500,000 or more. And I know a fancy roof them me talk about a normal roof. So if you give out $10 million to each constituency, what $10 million can do to each constituency, Andrew? You give out $10 million to one constituency. How much people that are going to help? You see the people them will advise you, them will advise you with pure foolishness. You hear? Andrew, you need to focus on important things. Left the people them with the generator them where are free, of course you get them. You not buy them out of your pocket. And go focus on the people them where in some areas where not get no help. Find ways and mean for reach to the people them to get aid for the people them. The people that need clothes, water and food. And you're not worried about that. Find ways and means to reach to the people them in these areas where really need help before people they start dead off. And top focus on generator. You not buy them. So left them there alone. And go help the people them. A fuckery I do. A fuckery I worry about. Me hope the Jamaican people they still are going in and around them, you know. Jamaican people worldwide, me hope on the see what going in and around us. The things them where we PM them, we politicians them worried about. Them not put we first. Them are worried about vanity first. Put the people them first and stop worry about fuckery and stop the fuckery. I'm going to help the people them were unreachable. Get some JDF helicopter and go try bring down food to the people them just like how them a swing down off a road. Make them swing down and go give people them where can get food and water and clothing. Go help the people them and top worry about generator because you not buy them. You not buy them out of your pocket. You not worry about too much bumbuclad fuckery. Go help the people them and top your fuckery.
But of course there will be some requirements for compliance issues and to ensure that there are established operations that we can enter into cooperation with. So, of course, we would have to verify that they are a legitimate operation. So we would ask the JPs, the police, and other established persons in the area to vouch for their credibility. And we're going to ask the Jamaica Business Development Corporation to lead that, along with the DBJ. We're going to also ask them if they would be willing to partner with the government to give us storage capacity. Some of them may have a strong room. They may have a room or two where we can store things. That would multiply the number of areas that we have from which we can stage operations.